from Brazil. Hello, how are you? They said the girls in Brazil are so pretty. Oh my God. How are you, Jagao? They said girls in Brazil are so pretty. Is that true? Because I found you pretty. Oh! Thank you, Jagao. I'm gonna support you also later on. I only have one phone, that's why I can subscribe you now. At the end, pwede pa yun. Jagao, thanks dear. How are you, by the way, Jagao? This is how I open my pineapple so that Laba ba Wala pa 5 minutes day. Wait lang, di pa start. How are you, Jagao? De, may live ka ngayon? Oh, I'm already. You do? I love it too. Oh my God. I am low bat. I am low battery. Wake me up before you go. Let's have like 2 bars and then I will go there. Mamaya pa. Okay, manood ako mamaya ate. Later on. Hi Anubis. How are you? I'm gonna charge you. Anubis, how are you by the way? Do you have fun in Korea? Oh, nice. Put a little bit in your chicken. Pineapple. I cannot put pineapple in my chicken. George Michael. Who's George Michael? Jagao. Can I leave it here? Just wait me, guys. Alam mo guys, pagod na ako. Oh my God. Hi Anubis, how are you? Good to see you here in my life. I'm gonna